Hello everyone and welcome to my basic electronics series. In this course I'm going to teach you the basic things that you'll need to get started in electronics. This includes what voltage, current and resistance are, how current flows in a circuit, and what components we can use to do cool things with electronics. Now, unfortunately, when learning electronics, the mathematics of electronics designs can often get very complicated very quickly. My goal is to teach you as much electronics as possible without the need of complex mathematics. So for this series, as long as you can add, subtract, multiply and divide, you should be fine. This is mostly primary school maths and a bit of beginner high school maths, as you also may need to algebraically rearrange some formulas here and there. By the end of this series, you will know the basics of voltage, current and resistance, what all the basic electronic components are, and how electricity flows in a circuit. You will not only be able to build the basic circuits that I give you, but you will also be able to apply these tools to design and build your own basic circuits. After this course covers the basics, I will split it into two further series. The one will cover more advanced electronics, which requires high school maths, and the other course will cover digital electronics, which doesn't require much maths and will teach you how to turn little electronic components into logic devices, which can then be combined to build your very own little computer. So, if you are as excited as I am to learn about all these little electronic components that you can use to build your own circuits and eventually your own little computer, then stick around and join me as we dive into the world of electronics.